Okay, what's up everybody? So we're doing part 2 of this tub installation, the 900-pound tub, and we're heading up there. We got the crew here. We got Zach the new guy, we got Johnny, Steve, and we're meeting Kirk and Ronnie up there, but we're gonna go ahead and lift this tub into place.
Pull these cups off?
Yeah, pull those off, and then what Steve and I are going to do, we're going to lift up and just try to go onto the side.
How do you release? Push the slip, there it is, got it.
Maybe we can get one more here?
We're good over here as far as padding and stuff.
Do you need another one over there, Isaac?
There's not really any room.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, yeah.
Do you want
Zach, why don't you hop over here? No, we're good on cups. We're good on cups, we just need a body. Okay. Skinny buddy.
Little guy, right on.
Little guy, easy. Okay, going up onto the side, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, looking good.
I got it.
Or just don't want to come all the way over.
Okay, that's good right there.
We're floating, right?
Okay.
Is it
So now what we need to do.
Should we try to inch it closer? Maybe we should.
Well, once we get
I'm
that
afraid of banging right here. Well, should we try to, maybe we can scoot it all the way this way first.
and then
tipper.
Let's take that off. Let's get some pliers.
We can make even a test run too. Are these?
So we got the MZ 20,000. We're getting this ready, and just give it a, you just go back and forth here. There you go, no, you don't twist it.
Oh,
there it goes.
It's just a plug?
Yeah, it's just a plug, so that's where the spout's gonna fit. Ronnie, I wanna double check that. Let me see that spout. Why does that look small to me?
Because it's a tight fit.
Oh yeah, it's a tight fit. Okay, so what we're gonna do, let's slide this, either put it back down,
And then
let's put it back down, slide it over to where we're gonna need to rock up onto the blocks. Let's watch our tile on the sides. 1, 2, 3, nice and easy. We're good on this side.
You're good on this side?
Yeah, we're good on this side.
You got 2-3 inches.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't got hardly any over there.
So now
We're already inside the perimeter.
Yeah, so let's actually line the hole up with our hole here. Okay.
Watch your corner.
Watch your corner.
My way.
Go that way.
Okay, go that way a little. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, inside.
We're
What's
pulling
inside?
against each other. Yeah, we're inside, okay. We're
Okay.
coming this way now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're gonna have to
I think we need to just push it in. Let's just get out of the way. We're gonna have to push the sucker in.
Okay, so we're gonna come this side, then this side, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, this side. 1, 2, 3.
We're almost there.
Okay, so now we just need to go this way. We're gonna go this way. 1, 2, 3.
Almost. Just a little bit.
Okay, again. 1, 2, 3.
Too much.
Too much.
I got you.
1, 2, 3. Okay, there. That's close enough. Now,
Beautiful.
we need a 2x4 here. We need 1 2x4 here. There you go. You can put both of these right here.
You want these just like that, right?
Yeah. 2, 3. Yep, we got it. Nice and
Watch
easy.
the side here. We're close. We're good. That was close, but we're good.
Okay.
Very close.
So now we know. Okay, so let's get the drain. Now it's time to get the drain hooked up. So let's get the drain hooked up on. Oh, it's sitting. That's the drain sitting in there.
Could somebody just put some pressure on the inside for me?
Yeah,
I got you.
Yeah, go ahead and hold that down.
All right, got you, bud.
So it goes rubber gasket, the washer, and then the nut.
That comes off real easy though, right?
Yep.
So yeah, it should be nice if we could actually rock it back, slip some more of those, maybe if we just do it piece by piece, and then we can do test runs and just see how we're doing. to tilt it. I think we need to go up another one.
And then you just lube that up right around that thing and it just goes right down.
So the other thing we could do is we could keep rocking it back and forth and keep building up as we go. I mean, we can cut as many of those.
Thinking that we could just pull
Like we
it back.
just keep put one under here, rock it up, put one underneath, rock it back, put another one here, rock it up. So we're just kind of going
Instead
like
of the
this.
cinder block. That sounds like a good idea.
Or we just get it high enough out here to where the cinder block just wants to. But we gotta get the height on that to make sure when we go down that the pipe's not
Zach,
sitting
right?
on something.
Zach?
It's what?
You set the wrench on that.
Keep spinning or what?
No, he's getting it now.
I'm tight.
Are you?
Yeah, you don't want to smash it down too tight. It'll deform the rubber
Right.
gasket.
I didn't put too much on it.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna rock it back onto these blocks, get it up. As soon as we got it up, we're gonna put 2 more sets of blocks on this side, roll it back over, and then we might be high enough to where we can get them onto the cinder blocks.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. On 3. You guys got a good grip?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
We good to go on that angle?
Okay, let's center it. Okay.
Hold on, yes, sorry.
Okay, so now let's get 2 more blocks on those.
We're gonna remove these, we gotta pull these out now, and then we're gonna block these with 2 more.
Let's try to even them out. That one can go, right? No?
Might as well leave it.
We need to space them though. We need better spacing on this. It's gonna want to be really wobbly right there. Can you widen them out or no?
Just, I mean, I can get these onto.
Steve, turn.
This what you're talking?
Yeah, and then put one on top of it. That's a little better spacing, isn't it?
Sure.
You don't need to do that with that one.
No.
I'm just trying to get a good width here.
But we're already out of 2x4, so now we're already gonna have to,
Well, let's.
You wanted to have 2 more, right?
Yeah, I want 2 more up.
I'm gonna float right on here. I can float on that guy. I'm already on
Sure.
it. Right now, I'm underneath it.
Okay.
I'm underneath it on our 2x6.
Are we gonna worry about the blanket? We've been doing it.
Okay, here we go. So now Zach.
Now it's all underneath there.
Okay, so
We're
now-
gonna need to just gently
Oh,
get
so
this
pressure-
corner up and get these wood pieces
Yeah, so they don't
underneath.
slide out.
You guys are just lifting up and we're pushing these in?
We're just rocking it.
Oh,
Okay,
here we go.
You're in.
Hold on.
So now
You're
we're
in?
fully on both
Okay.
sides, so we could technically roll straight back.
Okay, on 3, Zach. 1, 2, 3. Watch the edges. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Okay. So from there,
Just check our height on our neck. We'll just screw that sucker in there and see what we got.
now we need 2 more.
I can go, there's more up there. There's more.
Okay, here we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Gotta go in one motion.
Yep, we got it. We're looking good. Okay. There we go. Okay, so now, Zach, let us know how we're looking here.
I don't see us how aligned we
We're
are.
gonna have to come back this way about
Need a
2.5 inches to the wall.
To the window?
That wall.
To the wall? My balls are sweaty.
Okay.
Let me get my high-tech phone here.
There you go. Flip it up.
Can you see down? I have it just kind of stabbed into the hole. And sticking up.
We gotta go that way more.
Oh yeah, we gotta come this way and that way. So
This way?
Yeah. Probably we're probably about right here, guys. Probably about right there. Okay. On 3. 1, 2. Okay.
We're almost, we're at see red. See red, we're close.
Okay, I think we're lined up side to side. So let's go,
Back. So we gotta go straight. I can see you have the pipe, thank you. You put the pipe in there. You see the pipe edge? You can see the Teflon tape around it.
okay,
So you need
so
to kind of go back.
Zach, you can probably rest it in there. Is it in there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So back like this, straight back like 2 inches or inch.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
A little more. One.
Hold on.
Yeah.
We're almost there.
Okay, you can see it,
I can
Steve?
see it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, we missed it. Missed it. Okay. Back, Steve's. Hold on,
I mean, I could thread in now.
Let's get it directly over that baby. Okay. Zach. Oh, you're putting it in. Oh man,
Yeah,
we're so
maybe
close. We are so close. Steve, maybe even just your side. 1, 2, 3. Oh, too much.
There you go.
Okay, we're there. We're there.
Pretty aligned too. You might have to do a little twisting. Get down. And
Okay, so let's get.
John.
We need some lube.
Oh, we need the pipe lube. We need to lube her up.
I did.
Any kind of oil? What about
Oh,
WD?
not on the shaft.
On the shaft.
Would WD work, Isaac?
No, we need that silicone, dude.
Something?
Silicone.
Is that what you need?
That's it right there. The sealant.
Is that what you got?
Okay. Don't have a good one angle.
That's why I was afraid to make it too high.
Yeah, lube this baby.
We're jerking. I just lubing.
I'm lubing.
Jeez.
Before we lift it though, hit that button a couple times just to make sure it's on.
Okay, this is gonna get all over your hands, probably, Zach. But
Very cool. So what is that actually?
Want a glove?
it slips into the rubber gasket.
But what kind of lube is it? Is it just a?
It's silicone.
Oh.
You want it? You can
No,
have
I'm
it.
good, but I'll throw it away
can
for
have
you.
it, yeah. It's like, yeah, I'll take care. I'll throw it away.
It looks like chapstick. Put it on your lips.
Just don't put it on your turtle.
We got a little rag. Zach's got. We're live.
So we're just really gonna be picking it up 1 inch.
Holding it. Just to elevate it. and
So
then
what I'm gonna do, hey, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take these and slide them out of the way this way. Because you need to be right there, so I'm gonna slide these out.
hopefully you can grab them all.
Johnny, you gonna be okay over there, buddy?
That's good.
He's gonna chill.
I know I
Hey.
should. This will be the ultimate payback.
Hey,
Ripping
hey, guys.
light in his face.
Guys, before we pull the sticks, well, I want you to lift them and hold it for a second, then drop it. Let's get a test, okay? Can we do a test first?
Just try it. Okay, let's try it. Oh shit, that's not gonna come up. That one. Here, use this one.
Up higher.
Of course,
How do you get these things?
I really lift it on my feet.
Wraps around a little bit. Yeah. Is that good? Is that where you wanted it?
Check yours again, Steve-O.
For sure. I've got
Yeah, you guys do a test, pull.
Okay, on 3, let's just go straight up and straight down. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we got it.
We
Okay,
just gotta make sure we go straight down.
straight up a line, right? Yeah, I got a little.
Yep.
okay,
we're good.
Johnny, you ready, brother?
Okay. On 3, good handle on 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're all clear. Nice and slow. Johnny.
You gotta come this way. This way, this way.
Okay,
There you go, there, you got it. Ooh, you guys, how'd that feel?
That wasn't too bad.
Job.
That wasn't too
You
bad.
guys all right?
Not too bad.
You all right there, Zach?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go turn the water off.
Like, wait a second. Oh
Anybody use the restroom? I'm gonna go turn the
Okay,
water off.
so we're good, we start cleaning up, huh?
Hopefully that water doesn't go backwards when it comes out of the spout.
I just don't know if it's the long or short screws.
Don't you have to put the screws in first?
No, they screw down.
But when it came out of a linear feed and just the
What do we have to,
electrolysis of water, curled it.
Too big?
And
No,
started
perfect.
like kind of splashing on the ribs a little bit.
Yeah, the shorties, brother.
And rip the-
If you could put the washers on the shorties.
And the very last thing, and so I had to go back, cut the floor over, and move the, luckily it's all tech, so they were less to pull the whole anchor plate closer.
This is slipping a little bit.
And you everything.
Now what's up with all this?
right, we ready to lock up?
He's got the keys.
Good work, man.
All right, did it.
Good work.
We made it, boys.
All right, let's lock her up and head home.